Hey everyone.
Hi there.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Welcome to the Hatch Homes Group Monday Market Update. We are the Hatch Homes Group. Thanks for joining us. Today we want to talk about, we have a new president, a new administration. With that comes changes. So we wanted to just point out 3 trends that we see happening with this new administration. And let us know if you have any questions, of course. But the first one is that for Biden, there's been notes that he's going to be rolling out some help for first-time homebuyers. So that's really exciting. It's always fun when new things come out for first-time homebuyers. And I think that could possibly lead to another trend that could help in Portland, which is condo conversion. So a lot of these apartments that have been built to have them convert to condos would get people into home ownership in the city, which has been, like pretty low inventory for a first-time home buyer. So
the other thing the Biden administration has talked about is student debt, making it easier or some way or other helping with student debt. This will again help first-time home buyers. So we're definitely looking at we're monitoring opportunities for condo conversions, looking at that being a significant trend in the future. Future.
Yeah, it's going to free up a lot of wealth, I think, for especially first-time home buyers who are hindered by the amount of debt that they might have for student loans.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
So it'll be interesting to see how all these roll out.
Yep. And the third trend that we kind of already saw coming was the 1031 exchanges could become less advantageous. So there's going to be stricter rules on how they're calculating your income. So if you have a higher income, you might not be able to do a 1031 exchange. Now, before the end of the year, I was actually on a webinar about 1031 exchanges with somebody who's very involved in the changes. And so I think of course, it's not a done deal. A lot of people were very fearful of this plan. And so 1031 exchanges at the end of last year were up like 1,000,000%. That's not exact, but there was a lot more 1031 exchanges. And so, we're saying, better do it now rather than wait if you are considering it. But again, nothing's set in stone. Nothing's been.
I was thinking, Angela, some people might not know what a 1031 exchange is, but it's simply if you have a rental property, investment property, you exchange it from you sell your property and you purchase another property or investment entity, and there's no capital gain at the moment.
It helps offset that for a while, the tax.
Which is a big deal if someone has a significant capital gain, as most people have held investment properties for a long time have got significant gain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it's just a deferral of the gain. So
yes.
We did see this last year, we did see quite a bit of investors get out of Portland, and they just did a 1031 exchange, sold their Portland property and just went to a suburb. So that was happening a lot. But yeah, so I hope that was helpful.
There's some 3 good things from Biden's administration so far. We'll see how it rolls out. I think another thing we wanted to talk about is the inventory. Ding, ding. That's like such a big word these days. Everybody's talking about it. But actually, year over year from December 2019 to 2020, we saw a 37% increase in new homes for sale. And that seems weird, right? Because all you keep hearing us say is historically low inventory, historically low inventory. And that means that whatever is coming on the market, even if it's a gain of 37%, they're selling really, really fast. So you just have to have the strategy to be on it and immediate. So I think that's kind of promising, knowing that there are actually there are 37% more listings, but you just have to be really quick on them. And it's still very competitive, but we definitely have a lot of strategies that we can help you with to make your offer stand out.
Yep, that's why you call us, so we can help you keep track of all those listings. But speaking of listings, we've got a couple listings coming up that we're all really excited about. Angela and I have a listing that will go live tomorrow, and it's in Lads Edition. So we're really excited. We'll have more information we'll post on the socials, but that one, keep an eye out for that one. And then you
I
guys.
think Lads Edition is a really special part of Portland. It's a pretty unique older development.
One of my
With
favorite
beautiful
neighborhoods.
homes, historic. Yeah, it's going to be a really cool listing.
And
And that's kind of why we're together.
Oh, I just want to say it's actually on the National Historic Registry. So it's pretty special to have that.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah, and John and I are at the beach right now because we have a listing coming up probably next week. It's in Seaside, 2 blocks from the beach. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a lot of great income potential there as well. So be on the lookout for that and reach out if you have any questions. And if you're looking for a great investment in Seaside, beach house, who doesn't want a beach house? Let us know.
1031 exchange for that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It could be a good 1031 exchange. So
Great.
yeah.
I hear that the coast has low inventory as well.
Yeah, the coast has been pretty much in demand. A lot of people taking the opportunity to work not just away from the office, but away from Portland.
Yeah, work away from Portland and like have a change of scenery, but also I think that for investors who want short-term rentals, because that's become more of a standard at the coast now, like the some renters I know here are having a hard time finding a new place because everything's short-term instead of long-term. So there's some things that we should really maybe consider when making those. I mean, I don't know if we have the power, but we can definitely like continue that conversation to help people who actually do need to like live here permanently and not short-term. That's fascinating. It's something that is fascinating to think
Well, the
about.
home that you're going to have for sale is multifamily, right? So
Yeah, it has a lower unit that,
Yeah.
I mean, it could be, yeah.
Could be an ADU or whatever. Yeah. So talking about being at the beach, we're actually looking past your screen. I'm just going to show you the view. So this is what we're actually looking at besides looking at you.
beautiful.
It's very distracting. But yeah, it's
Well,
beautiful.
we're jealous.
Well, enjoy the nice weather while it lasts, because this weekend or next weekend is probably not going to be super great.
Yeah, this beautiful 37 degrees.
Stay warm.
Have a good week, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us.
Well done.